Yo, what's up, YouTube? How's it going? Thanks for joining your all day, everyday technical chart channel with quick fundamentals when it's there. But we trade numbers here, so let's look at some charts. All right. All right, before we look at these charts, I'm going to go ahead and show you this real quick, just so we can get into this before we start getting into the charts. All right. Nvidia's trying to get the ARMS deal. It's going to be next month, October 13th, I believe, is the day that they're gonna do that. So yeah, see October 13th. All right, and see they beat earnings all the time. So boom, boom, boom. They barely beat earnings. So let's look at the charts to see what I got to tell you. All right, we're on the 4-hour chart. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fibs, you know. So we do over here. Fibonacci from the low to the high. Possibly do it from here. You know how I like to do it. Try it right there real quick. And it hits over there on the 6-6. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do it from right here and put that right there. All right, it's hitting at 236 and it's holding real good. So let's do another one. It's coming down. Say, okay, we think it's going up. So if the market was to go up, let's see where resistance would be at. Put this up here, come down to the low right there. Yep, just like I thought. All right, just so y'all know, this is what I was looking at earlier, and pretty much before I made the video. And so you can see the 6-6, the golden pockets right there, fills the gap. And that arm deal, it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing, or depending on what the market does, we can go up and hit right here on the 6-6, the golden channel, from right here where we're at, since it's and move this up a little bit. Trying to look at that 382 right here, 22,388. We're not there yet, so, and it's in a downtrend on the 4-hour chart. So what could happen possibly, because this is a bullish candle, we come up, hit that 6-6 golden channel, and then come down. You know, depending on what the market's doing, because everybody's real, you know, scared right now, bearish type. But market's bullish, but I'm just saying people, you know, it's a couple of days we've been dropping, people are scared. And so we came down, tested that, came back up, had hit the 618 almost. So we didn't hit it all the way. So I'm thinking we're gonna come up here, hit that, and come down. And when we come down, I wanna say you see this right here, the 209.30 to 35. I feel like we're gonna come all the way down here. Either that's what October is a whole month away. So we can either make it down here within a month, or we can make it down here right away. We're gonna have to see what the market does, but this could kind of have to do with the arms deal too. If they don't get the deal, and say market goes up slowly and it comes up and it just keeps going up and up and up, and so Nvidia might get that deal, and there's this gap right here. I'm thinking it's gonna fill. It might just be an earnings gap, so don't pay too much mind to it, but it does hit almost right there, almost. So I'm thinking it does come under it just a little bit to make everybody sell out of it, thinking it's going to keep coming down to the 618, which I wouldn't be surprised if it did and hit right here and pop back up. But there's that gap and that gap to watch out for, just so y'all know. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be watching. So if it was me, pretty much just watching to the morning. I feel like market's gonna go up. It started going up towards the end of the day. I feel like it's gonna go up and sell off. Monday it was a sell off. Well, nope, it wasn't open Monday. Tuesday it was a little sell off. It looked like it came back up. Wednesday it sold off. Thursday looked like it was selling off. Came back up towards the end of the day. And so far it's pretty much 3 days down. And so I think it's gonna come up and test at 6. I'll probably long it maybe in the morning. I'm gonna just look at it. I might just leave it alone. But I'm gonna set an alarm if it breaks this 382. If it breaks the 382, I'll probably long it. 226 with the 225 call. Take profit right there, right at as soon as it hits 226. Right there, 226.50. I'll do 226 just in case there's one of them crazy wick candles up and down real quick. And then after that, you can, if you want, you can run a put. If you do the put, I would run the put for at least a month. So it's gonna be kind of expensive, you know. I don't got money to do it like that, but that's what I would suggest. Especially if the market comes down, or if the market comes down super, super fast. Sometimes it does that, like this candle, boom, boom, boom. That's what 2, 3 days. That's 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. About 3 days it shot up like that. So I wouldn't be surprised if it came back down here next week as the market kept going down. If it does come down here, my suggestion is if you're scared and think it's gonna go down, shit, grab some monthly 220 calls. They'll probably be real cheap at that time. It came down to 209 because everybody's gonna be real, real scared. And then since they're gonna be so cheap, but if you lose, you lose. But if you get them out a month or so, you should be all right. But I would actually load up more in this area. So if it does come down here, just know I'm loading up. This area. Take profit on the way up right here. Take a little bit of profit. Go up a little more. I would say about this area right here. Take profit 236, and then hold the rest to the arms deal. See what happened at the arms deal. Oh, my battery died. Yeah, that's my plan for Nvidia. All right. Well, y'all comment down below, like the video. Let me know what y'all think and what y'all would like to hear on the next video. Subscribe if you like the content so you can get the charts as soon as I post them. I'm gonna be posting charts when we're live. Man, I did try to read something in the script I made so I could sound the same on every video, but can't do that. Y'all have a good night.